How to download resume from Indeed. So, if you want to download your resume from Indeed or the one that Indeed helped you to build, this is how you're going to do it. So, this is just a very quick tutorial. So, I would like you to follow it step by step. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you're going to head over to Indeed.com, and then from the page, you're going to make sure that you are signed in or you're going to sign up for an account. Now, from your dashboard, you're going to head over to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see this account. Once you click on that, this drop down menu will appear and then you will see your profile. So just click on profile right here. And then from your profile page, you will be able to see this resume section. From the resume section, you're going to click your Indeed resume. So just click on it. And then from there, all you have to do is to click on those three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then click on download. Now, once you hit on download, a resume will be downloaded to your PC. Now, as you can see it right here, and all you have to do is to click on it, and that's it. That is how you are going to download your resume from Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.